Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce the program preview function. When you are playing a program, you can use preview to check other programs without interrupt current playing. Click on preview. The program that currently playing will be hidden. You can play any other programs in program management. Click on Preview again to stop it. In the Preview status, we can find Restart Preview to output and Continue Preview to output. By clicking on these buttons, you can output current preview program as the output source. Choose Restart to play the previewed program from the beginning, or choose Continue to continue playing. The preview function will not be applied to the media that's in the timeline and aux timeline. However, the media that's on the timeline layer will be applied by preview function. Let's add a timeline layer in program 1. Drag and drop a media to timeline. Also add other media to main timeline and aux timeline. Click on Preview. We will find that only the media in the timeline layer be hidden. For the project that's using enormous programs, it's a good idea to set the preview image as thumbnail or frame mode to optimize the server. You can find these options in menu bar, stage preview, thumbnail, or frame. That's all for today's tutorial. See you next video.